Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging. And I go hard, that's why they keep talking. 3 years and I'm only just getting started.
Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. Over the weekend, I installed this gorgeous EasiContour V-part wig from UNice Hair. This is their Yaki wig. It's 150% density, 24 inches, and it has all of its new upgrades. Of course, it has the combs. It has the elastic strap in the back for more comfort. Now with the EasiContour upgrade, you are having the hair wrapped around the V-part section, so it minimizes the amount of hair you have to leave out. Working with 5 clips, you do have 4 around the V-part section and 1 in the middle, just to make sure that security is there. Okay, I like that about them because they don't want you to feel like this is going anywhere on you. And with these clips just by itself, I'm telling you, this wig is just staying on for dear life. Now, the gripping material is there for the non-slip grip. They, of course, added the drawstring method. You guys know it's giving one size fits all with this. It gives comfort, and it's just very appropriate for like the beginner that just wants that security. Trying out a wig, you don't really want to commit to a frontal, don't want to commit to a closure. These V parts, I'm telling you, they're really good to try out if you just don't have time for the lace. Trust me, I get it. So tucking the combs underneath my braids. I love that they have this like C-shaped contour around the ears that allows you to have that comfort and the wig is not digging in the side of your head. I hate that, especially around like that ear area. So I went ahead, pinned the hair up and adjusted the drawstring. I like to do that before I like clip the clips down at the top, because baby, when the clips are clipped, don't try to do this because it's going to cause tension. You don't want to pull any of your hair out. You want to make sure that you have your edges. So I do this step last. Alright girlies, so I did use 2 heat protectants to make sure that the hair doesn't smell like corn chips by the time we finish flat ironing the hair. Now this unit does take up to 450 Fahrenheit. So I was like, okay, baby, we can push it. We can push the envelope. We can make sure this flat iron is at this highest setting. As you can see, that smoke is there because that heat protectant is doing what it needs to do. And I will link the ones that I use in the description box. I know y'all may have seen the Silk Elements. That's the one I love. And then I believe it's like Magic something. That one works really, really good, even on my natural hair. So I'm just gonna press her out. Gorgeous, gorgeous hair. Yaki hair looks amazing when you press it out on its highest setting, as long as the hair can take your highest setting. I feel like my hot tools go up to 450. They don't go past that. So that's when I know, like, you know, I'm not trying to burn my hair, but yours may go higher. So make sure you pay attention to that. But gorgeous, gorgeous hair. I feel like they upgraded their Yaki texture. I just feel like this one is just a lot better in quality overall. So I will link it down below once again because you don't want to miss out. I'm not gonna lie, like I love this hair so much. I wore it for almost like 2 weeks straight. It just makes so much sense when you're on the go. You want to look like something, but you don't want to do too much with your hair, and you don't want to commit to like a sew-in or a quick weave. This is your friend. I'm telling you, this is your girl. And if you love fitted caps or like snapbacks, I love a V-part wig with that look because it gives off a more flatter appearance towards the top versus you wearing like a full wig, like with the lace, the closure, all of that. I don't know. It makes sense in my head. So hopefully it makes sense in yours. But yeah, I think I'm going to cut her though. Like I like her so much that I want her in a bob. But I may be dragging it. Like I feel like that's crazy. I do trim the ends, by the way. And then I'm just gonna go into blending my hair with the Yaki texture. But just vibe out to the music and I'll pop back in when I do something else that's deemed exciting in my opinion.
Kill me, they won't kill me. Tell me why they won't try me when they really don't know me. Hey, hey. I'm on my tunnel vision. I beat their allegation. I'm moving on a mission. I don't need supervision. Yeah, 1 in a million. I got the ammunition. They couldn't see the vision. They couldn't see it. Nobody's finding you. Came for the wickedest one. Me and my girls in the wickedest time. I know you see it, I know you want more. What you say? What you say? Yeah. Came for the wickedest one. Me and my girls in the wickedest time. I know you see it, I know you want more. more.
So I pretty much did the same thing to the other side, and then I went to the bathroom to curl my baby hairs. But I know y'all see the blend ever so effortlessly, and it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Clock that. Eunice, you did this one. You ate this one up. The construction, the breathable cap, the way that this is going to eat in the warmer months. Gorgeous, gorgeous hair. The baby hairs came together. I did use my edge booster.
One song and I got the people excited. Hearted, it's a whole town. It's a whole town. Are you ready? Ready cause I'm going steady. Everybody wants.
And then I take this smoothing brush, added my hairspray. I used this Chi hairspray, and that helped like blend everything together again. I just didn't want to torture you guys with another like press out, because I could press this hair out all day because it's so nice. But yeah, this is UNice Hair. I do a quick little curl, and I curl away from my face. Do it towards my face on the opposite side, and I just comb it out, and it just did what it was supposed to do. So this is UNice EasiContour V-Part Wig. 24 inches, 150 density. Once again, discount code in the description box. Don't miss out. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you always and forever. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. And I will see my girlies in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Came for the wickedest one. Me and my girls in the wickedest time. I know you see it and know you want more. I keep moving, I've been going up the mountain in my life, no thinking twice. I did my lane, so no debating. Don't worry, you know me, I know send anybody. I'm alright, I do it naturally. It's all down, I'm ready. Ready, gonna go in steady. Everybody want to lie, they want to fight, they want to get me. Kill me, they won't kill me. Tell me why they won't try me when they really don't know me. Hey, I'm on my tunnel vision. I beat their allegation. I'm moving on a mission. I don't need supervision. Yeah, 1 in a million. I got the ammunition. They couldn't see the vision. They couldn't see it. Nobody's finding you. Came for the wickedest one. Me and my girls in the wickedest time. I know you see it and know you want more. What you say? What you know, yeah. Came for the wickedest one. Me and my girls in the wickedest time. I know you see it and know you want more.